Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I finally decided what I want to do in here. So initially I did want laminate or luxury vinyl planking, but since we don't have the cash flow right now until we sell this house, we're gonna go with the less expensive option. So carpet it is for now. But before carpet, I think we need to install the baseboards first. Let's do some research. Okay, I really like this video by Excellent Laborer. Google AI does confirm to do baseboards before carpet. Let's go take some measurements and see how much we need to buy. We are done measuring the room. Here is what we got. Ended up with 700 inches or 58 feet. My rough drawing there. Let's go shopping. We are back from my favorite place. I ended up buying 10 of these at 6 feet each. I thought it would make the calculations during checkout a little bit easier. Here is what I ended up paying. I only need 54 feet, but we are adding 10% of waste and potential mistakes that I'm gonna make. Gonna set up the saw station here and start cutting. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to best cut this with my circular saw, but the good news is it looks pretty clean. I initially made 1-inch marks. This is the waist here, and trying to calculate how much space I need to give myself, but the math got a little complicated. And when I'm holding it up here, it matches pretty perfectly at that notch where it says 45. So I think I have a good place to start eyeballing it. Probably not the best strategy, but let's bring that inside and see what it looks like. I got this gun when I built the mid-century modern nightstand and bed. Internet says to use 1.5 to 2, but we have a bunch of these 1 1/4 left over. I think we'll be okay. Internet says to use 3/8 ply down here, but we have a bunch of 1/2 inch. I think we'll be okay. Saw a video saying to put at least one or a few of the nails into studs. I want this right there. We're gonna make this cut and put the first piece in. Pretty happy with my first baseboard trim. Ended up doing 1, 2, 3, 4 brad nails. I find it really satisfying to use. This is the scrap that I cut off that end. I'm gonna try to get it to fit in there. Not sure what I wanna do yet, but let's head back into the garage. That's not bad for my first corner. It's not great, but we are gonna do that, and I am pretty happy with how it turned out. I think the rest will fill in with caulk and we won't have a problem. I'm gonna start working on that corner. Getting a little bit faster, getting a little bit more confident. I'm still not sure if it's even possible to get this flush here because the drywall mud in the corner is pretty irregular. I think that's pretty acceptable for an amateur like myself. Here's how I'm joining two pieces. That actually looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna move the camera into the garage and hyperlapse the cuts for over there. I made my first mistake cut. I still have a problem figuring out if I want to go this way or this way. I know the pros make all the cuts at the same time, but for a beginner like myself, first time doing these baseboards, it's easier to work one section at a time so I could kind of visualize and figure things out as I go. But right here, I went this way. I really wanted to go that way. We're gonna keep working and start over here. I have a few more small sections to finish up in here, but don't have too much else to show or say. Get a brad nailer, try to make the cuts as best as you can. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Not perfect, but we are getting better every day and learning more as we go. Video 369 done.